I do have a story to tell you about why my channel is called Lil Crafty Nook. Like I said, this is my third attempt at organizing because I have to work in a 5x10 space and I share it with my office desk opposite of the room here. 2 years ago, we had planned on moving. We were looking around pretty seriously for places to live other than here. We wanted a big garden. I needed more space for my craft room, obviously. But then slowly we just changed our mind and decided to stay here. Many reasons, pro and con. So I have to do what works because obviously a 10x10 room isn't going to get any bigger. But as I said, we're going to be doing some remodeling. So there might still be a glimmer of hope there. And as I find out more details, I will let you know. But anyway, thank you so much for joining me. And I'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.